Hi guys, welcome back. Please ignore my voice. I've been sick for the last 7 days and I'm still sick, but that's not what this vlog is about. So I woke up to a voicemail this morning from my post office saying that my baby chicks are in. Yay! So David and Izzy went to go get the chicks. And pretty soon we'll have some babies peeping around in our dining room. I can't wait. Super excited.
Hello.
Oh, they're all huddled.
They're so fluffy and cute. Why, hello there. Beautiful bunch. Look at those beautiful little birds I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. Where is that? Hey, don't hurt him. It's not very nice. Aww, little baby. Where's the rooster?
It's just sitting in my hand.
Aww.
Here.
I think it likes you. I think it likes you. This is Anna K. We're with Anna Double. Well, she is Anna with 6.
Come on. They're very tightly.
Wobble.
They're very tightly
Hi.
huddled together in this corner.
Put them in the microwave and thaw them out.
Oh no, Yay, no good chicks. Oh. Wow, that guy was like really crammed in there. Yeah. Oh, now we're starting to eat up food.
Okay. Hope he's okay. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep, they're all here. One's already eating.
Yum, yum, yum. He's so hungry. I think I need to put this in. I eating one or eat. They can hello, little friends. Looks like you want some water. There's fruit juice. We're gonna find some water. Get some water. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There you go. Some water.
Oh, look. That one's getting ready to go under the heat lamp.
Mama, can you take one out? Nope. Screw you away.
Not yet, babe. We need to get them hydrated and fed first. They were hatched and then they got shipped here, so they're exhausted and hungry and thirsty. Throw this one underneath the
Cat's nearby. Dog's like, who's these people? Why are they in my house? Are they supposed to be eating a bedroom dog like that? They're so cute. How many birds are there eating chicks? Dude, savage. No.
Leave them alone. Let them go under the heat lamp.
No, he's eating chicks.
It's okay. It's okay. He'll figure it out.
Oh, look, he's on top of the board.
They're everywhere. They look like little bugs, like swimming around.
Yeah, they look like the little
Ash doesn't seem very happy.
Oh, he's stepping
Who
in the
are
water.
these people taking my spotlight?
His foot was stepping through water.
Oh, they're so little.
Okay, let's get them out.
I wonder which one's the rooster.
Yeah.
I guess time will tell. Figure out when. Oh.
Look at the cats.
They are so cute. I can't wait to see them.
The cats are down there, watching very intently. And so is Freya, right there. Now that I know that my chicks are safe and happy, can you hear them chirping? They're in the other room and you can still hear them chirping. It's a good sound though. Anyway, so now I gotta go to work. Can't wait till I can breathe out of my nose again. What are you doing, Julie? Trying to drink out of my water? Yes, you are. So, does anyone else's toddler, or just kids in general, eat food that they find laying around the house that's like been out for who knows how long, but they won't eat a fresh dinner that you just made for them? I find that extremely interesting and annoying. Mostly annoying.
Scoot it away from me.
Don't scoosh it away from you.
If you scoot it away from me again, you're gonna get in trouble.
Oh, really? In trouble with who?
No, sis, if you're not gonna get in trouble, I love you.
If I'm not going to get in trouble, you love me?
Yeah.
Aw, I love you too, chicken. All right, I'll see you guys later. Guys, I am on the struggle bus today. It has been a day. So I will tell you about it while I make bread with my lovely new bread machine, which I really appreciate because it means I don't have to spend all day kneading it and proofing it and all that jazz, because it does it all. It even bakes it. So love it. Anyway, so let's get started with this and then I will tell you about my awful day. All right, so I already have the water in. So you're supposed to start with the liquids. So I'm going to do the oil next. I love how you can just dump everything in here and push start and it does it all for you. Anyway, so my day. My actual work day wasn't so bad. But then this afternoon is when things got hairy.
Yes.
So I was working and then Izzy starts screaming and crying for me to come in and check on the chickens, which are in the dining room. And my office right now is in the living room. So, see, salt, 1.5. So I come in here and she tells me that one of the chicks has its guts hanging out because Juby, my toddler, squeezed it too hard. So I looked in the brooder, and sure enough, there was a chicken in there twitching with its insides now outsides. So that was extremely traumatic for me to see, but it was even more traumatic for Izzy because she picked the bird up and got its insides on her hand. She cried for about an hour afterwards because she felt like it was her fault and the whole thing was just so traumatizing. So yeah, I don't think that my toddler really understands that she squeezed the chicken too hard and killed it. I don't think she understands that she did that. I tried to help her understand, but I don't think she gets it. So we're just gonna have to be really careful in the future with her around the chickens. But yeah, so now day one, we're already down to 14 chickens. There are 2 tablespoons. So also, before this even happened, before this happened, there was another chick that was just like laying on its side and just like with its eyes closed, just like chirping pathetically. And so I thought, oh, great, we're going to lose our first chick, because this was before Juby killed that one. So I tried to, you know, I like picked it up and put its beak in water, and it was drinking, but I was trying to get it to eat and it wouldn't eat. So, you know, I Googled what to do about it, and they suggested giving it some room temperature raw egg yolk. So I got that ready, and I dipped its beak in the raw egg yolk, and it was eating it. And I think it perked it back up. I also mixed in some honey with their water, which is also supposed to help perk them up, but we'll see. They all seem to be fine right now. I don't know if you can hear them chirping in the background or not, but yeah. Oh, so we'll see what happens when I wake up tomorrow, how many chickens I still have. But yeah, it has really been a day. But nevertheless, we're still already talking about our next batch of baby chicks when this batch graduates and moves outside. So we'll see. I'm not sure. We'll see if I end up totally traumatized by this whole experience and end up not wanting to do it. But at this point, I'm considering getting another batch of chicks until we have 24 altogether, because the coop that I'm planning on getting fits 24. So at this point, they're too young to tell which one Juby killed. I'm just hoping it's not the rooster. But yeah. All right. So the last thing we need to do is yeast. Make a little well in the center of the flour and put the yeast in. All right. Now all I gotta do is plug it in. Okay. Yeah. And right. There we go. And now the bread is making and I'm done. So it was that simple. And now I'll have fresh bread for tomorrow. So now I have, I don't know if you can see this, all those dishes to do over there. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day, I just remembered. I had, you know, great aspirations of making cute Valentine's cookies and like making heart-shaped scones with like jam and cream and, you know, doing cutesy Valentine's Day stuff to make the day special for the kids. But it's not going to happen. I'm still sick and miserable. And yeah, I have no energy to do anything. I've been sick for 7 days and I don't know if it's the flu or if it's COVID, but whatever it is, it's still sticking around. Anyway, I'm sure you probably didn't click on this video to watch me bellyache during the whole thing. So hopefully the next vlog will be more upbeat and more fun. And hopefully I won't be sick anymore. And hopefully we'll still have 14 chickens and not lose anymore. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one and love you guys. Bye.